Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a font to your computer and then turn around and insert those pretty little fancy swirls into your project. So let's get started. Now there are a lot of websites where you can get free fonts downloaded. My choice or my preference is dafont.com. Okay, so one of the fonts that everyone seems to like is called I Love Glitter. It's right here, and you can see how it connects words together with some cute little heart swirls. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen, but first we need to download the font. So we're going to select this font right here, and you can scroll down when you're searching for a font. You can scroll down and look at all the different elements that come when you download this font. You've got some cute swirls that can go on to the end of a word. There's the cute little connective heart that's filled in, and there's another cute little connective heart that's not filled in. So what we're going to do then is download this font, and you'll see over here there's a button that says download. We're just going to download right here, and the button right underneath says donate to the author. A lot of these fonts specify that they're not for commercial use, but you can do a purchase license and purchase this font. Then you can use it in your commercial sales. But today, I'm just going to show you how to get this loaded onto your computer to use for your personal files. So we're going to click that download button over there. And it's downloading it onto the hard drive of my computer. So now we need to exit out of dafont. It's now time to go into our downloads folder and install that font. So you want to find your downloads folder. On a Mac, it's over here on the left. I open my downloads folder, and you can see that this I Love Glitter is right here as my first choice because that's my latest download. Double click that, and you're going to open the files for this font. Now you've got two choices here. I tend to always pick the OTF just because it's a newer version. This was the older type versions, and this is the newer type. So I tend to always download the OTF font. Now these other two items over here are just how to use the font, which is what I'm going to show you in this video. And then the other one is the terms of use. So if you open that, you can see that the terms of use just pulls you right back up, and it says exactly what you want to do. If you make money from using this font, you must purchase a license. So just to cover yourself, there's an informational font file there that we downloaded if you're ever curious if you can use this font in your business. And a lot of these license fonts aren't very expensive. And if you use this quite often and you really like it, it's not a big issue to just go ahead and buy that license. Then you're covered legally regardless. So we're going to double click that font, and then a new window opens up here. That's our font there. And a button down here at the bottom just says Install Font. And just that easy, it has installed the I Love Glitter font right here in our font notebook. And you can see over here, let me see if I can increase the size for you. These are all the different little embellishments that you can add to this font when you're using it. They've got double hearts, lots of cute little items. So you can, just flow through here and look at all the different elements that you can add into your project. Okay, now we are in Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to show you how to insert that double little heart emblem from the I Love Glitter font that we just downloaded. So you want to enter text here from Cricut Design Space. Let me make that a little bit bigger. Well, first of all, let's make a name. Let's do Charles. Okay, now let me make that big so you'll be able to see what's happening here. Okay, so we've got the name Charles, and now right here between two names, I want to insert the heart emblem that's an extra feature in that font that we just downloaded. So in order to do that, you want to go back to your font booklet. Now, I just recently had mine open, so my font booklet tab is right there. So I'm in the font booklet. You have to search down through here for your font that you're looking for. We're looking for I Love Glitter. And then of all of these little swirlies that you can do, you just highlight the one that you want. So I've chosen to highlight this double heart emblem there. That's what I want to put between the two names. You go up here to the top and you click Edit, go down and click Copy. So essentially you're just copying the double hearts so that now you can insert it into your project. So close down your font booklet, come back into your Cricut design space, and you want to get your cursor at the end there so you can add something onto the end of Charles. Now that we're there, we go up and do Edit and Paste. Oops, gotta get my cursor there. Edit and Paste. Now, see how easy that was? We went into all the extra features of the font, and we have now added this cute little double swirl that you can't get from the keyboard, just entering like you do the C, the H, the A. So that's how you enter your extra little embellishments from the font that you downloaded. Now we can just add another name. So now you can see we have taken Charles and Jackie and combined them together with a cute embellishment of hearts in between. Now here is a project where I combined that font with the connector heart and then used the knockout feature from Cricut Design Space to make this cute tile as a gift. I hope you found this video to be helpful. And if you have any other questions or suggestions for another type of tutorial, please just let us know. I invite you to follow us and become a charmer. We'd love to have you in our group. Thank you for learning with me today, and until next time, so long.